Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today we're removing thresholds and replacing it with floor. Just say no to thresholds. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons Tristan and Hunter. So if you've seen some of my videos, you know that I hate thresholds. I try not to use them. I try to eliminate them. I try not to have my customers even purchase them. And today we're at one of my clients' homes that is taking that to the next level. I've been out here 3 or 4 times, and every time I come out here, I replace areas of floor where thresholds were put in. So we've actually been the anti-threshold crew. We've removed all the unnecessary thresholds, and now they have nothing but floor. So let's head into the job. Let me show you what we've done and what we're gonna do today. Unfortunately, when you hire a contractor or an installer, a lot of times you don't ask simple questions like how is he gonna finish areas off around doors and walls, which are probably the most important questions that you should ask, but you just don't think of it. Look at that, that is just a board run the opposite direction. Is what I like to call a feature strip. And we originally had a T-molding that was delaminating in this doorway, but we replaced it with just floor. It looks a lot better than having a T-molding here, that's for sure. This is Johnson hardwood flooring that we're doing here. Alright, so once we remove this, what we're going to use the track saw to actually cut a straight line right down this floor. And then we'll drop a board itself in there. We're just going to set it in, glue it, and then we'll caulk or seal, color fill both sides. Now I drew this one line on the floor here when I had the old molding on, but I don't have to stick to that. But that does give me a straight line if I decide I want to go that wide. In the other bathroom, I think I went a little bit narrower. I'm not sure why. I don't really think it matters, but... Alright, so here we go. We did the track saw cut, then we oscillated out the sides. They're not really black, that's just the dust. And now we're going to cut a piece of flooring in, set it in liquid nails as if we were mud setting it like a piece of tile, and then caulk the sides. And we'll have our custom transition for a bathroom doorway. So you can always cut more off the board. You can't add it back on, so always remember that. Cut twice, mark once, cut twice. Alright. Now I'm going to use the factory edge of the board on this side. This is the groove. I'm going to use that up against one of the sides, probably this side, because I like to have a factory edge, and the other side will be the cut side. Yeah. This is nuts. Yeah. See that? Oh. Don't go too crazy on that stuff. Put a little more right in that area right here. And a little more right there, but it's a little weak right there.
Hey, it's gray.
What's up with this white thing over here? What's
that
up?
was from the last
Oh, I was gonna say, did it have like a little whiteness in the beginning? A little dab of that deal over there. So it's oh yeah, a little dab will do you. Yeah, a little dab will do you. That is good. Let's go with this thing. I'm feeling good. I am feeling really good about this. Put everything up. Everything is cut and ready to go. This is gonna drop in. I know it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's money right there. That is the money cut right there. That is what it's all about here in this business, making these cuts that just make you look so damn good. Oh yeah, that is perfect. We got a lot of glue in there, so it basically mud set it almost. I joke and say we fill the whole thing up with glue, and then we just push it down. Push it down. If it needs weight, then we'll put weight on it. That looks awesome. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. We haven't even put any filler in it yet. So now we're gonna gray it. Now I'm gonna show you a really cool little trick. Now this will darken. All caulkings darken, right? They all get darker. So it'll match a little bit better, but it's still gonna be kind of light. Not if I take some sawdust. We can take some sawdust, sprinkle that in, and my fingertips, rub it into the filler. Look at that. Now, usually on solid wood it always matches perfect. This is engineered, so it's not all the exact same color, but it does look pretty damn close. Wipe the whole thing down, blend it in nicely, and we're all done. Now, we have one issue here. The edge is sticking up right there, just slightly. Most people probably wouldn't even notice, but I'm a perfectionist. Okay, that's good. And that'll just push that filler down so it's nice and flush now. Otherwise, we could have just placed weight along this edge, and that'll also work, but that's just really direct pressure there. Wow, and that looks perfect. Wow, so I think those moldings, or the lack of those moldings, looks way better. I love to see the floor go all the way to the bathroom tile. It's a lot cleaner look, no tripping hazard, nothing to wear out or delaminate like what was happening here. I guess they had a wood molding that was actually covered in like a veneer of their wood, which is really strange. So we had wood covered in wood. At the end of the day, it just didn't hold up and it didn't look nearly as good as the way we left it. Learn to ask questions before or even during your installation so you get your floor finished the way you want to. My customer unfortunately had to spend thousands of dollars to get this floor corrected, but at the end of the day it looks amazing, and that's how it should have looked the first time. Be sure to ask questions because you only want to get your floor done once, not 3 times like my customer here. I think this is our 3rd time out here, maybe 4th time, but I think it might be our last. Well, if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I smudge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching. Jeez, this is like nothing left. There is literally nothing left of this floor. It's disintegrated. Oh, this is bad as that bedroom of wood a couple months ago. Except for this one, we can't take the whole thing up. We could just take the one row up that's damaged. The rest of the floor seems okay. Now, whenever you have a floor that's wet underneath like this one, it's wet in this doorway, can't put it right back down. You're gonna have to wait a few days for it to dry out. If you can take a moisture reading, that's even better. Yeah. Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Is it really?
What?
You think it says, did it get into the next row?
No, next one's fine.
Oh, okay.
I mean, like it'll dry out. So it's not like it's swollen.
Yeah. Why is it crumbling? Right there. That's the glue. That's the glue. You guys worked in here before? Nope, not this room.
This is actively wet.
It's what?
Actively wet. Hold on. Look, no, look. See that? Feel that right there. Feel that right there. Get it. Power.
Yeah.
Like that. Ooh. Mold.
Hold on, let me show her, okay?
You want me to take this out?
No, let's just show her what we got here. Real quick, so she sees what we're dealing with. Alright, we got it opened up. You want to come see? No, but it's not, I mean, I don't know. It's water.
Right here.
It's water.
It is water?
Yeah, it's wet still.
Ow.
This
How is that
is
possible?
like mold.
Oh, I thought that looked like termites from at first.
Like mold. You feel it wet? Literally.
That is unbelievable. It just seems like, again, it's too much of a coincidence that all three areas had problems after the power washing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It wasn't like...
You know, and it's actually still wet. That's why I wonder. I mean, I know you say pressure wash, but it's actually wet. So was the other one wet back there?
Yeah. By the slider.
Which one?
Against the slider.
The first one we
First one,
started?
Yeah, the first one.
It was still wet?
Yeah.
This window,
A lot of times when I see moisture, I used to do mold and water damage. That's why I said I had someone. Because what happens a lot of times, let's walk up front.
I mean, the window guy said the sprinkler was hitting that window,
That
but